Hello everyone, welcome to a Soul Tarot prediction. This is the reading for Libras and for the month of November 2021. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, it will be a very small reading, like what's coming up for you in that situation, Libras, for the month of November. You're waiting for the recovery of money. You're waiting game is going on related to money, Libras. Okay, sometimes you feel stuck into a situation where you have to deal with fights, problems, issues, or the surroundings are like that around you. Okay, and that really disappoints you. Okay, so yes. Okay. So yes, I can see that the waiting game is going on. You are confused related to something, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Waiting period is going on related to money. If you are really waiting for something, especially money related things, financial things, the waiting game will get over within next 7 months. You feel stuck into a situation. Sometimes you just feel that you need to let go of everything. You need to let go of the fights, problems, issues, disappointments, and you need to move on. You feel like that. Okay, you also wish to reach to a higher position. Okay, you also wish to reach to a higher position and to reach to some good managerial positions or a higher position, and you're working hard towards it. Like you have that thing in your brain that I need to reach to a certain level into my life. Okay, you are also juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Okay, you also feel very unhappy into a situation. Like sometimes your family life is really unhappy, and that really fucks you off. That really makes you crazy that certain things are not going on well in your family life. Like either children are not happy, either your family is not happy, either some or the other problem is going on into your life, and that's why a lot of unhappiness and sadness is there. Not completely satisfied with yourself. Okay, you might need to make a decision, certain decision. Right now you are just evaluating the pros and cons, but you need to make a certain decision very soon. Maybe within next 2 months you might need to make a certain decisions. Okay, I also feel that before you were daydreaming a lot. Okay, that I need to achieve certain goal, certain aim, certain situations in life, but now is the time where you feel that you need to gain that thing. You need to achieve certain things in life. You need to something like you need to gain some sort of aim, some sort of a particular goal, and for that you cannot just daydream. You just cannot sit and daydream about it. You need to take action about certain things in life, Libras. Okay, because action will help you to gain certain goals and aims in your life, and especially in the month of November you will be very action oriented. But although there will be action, but certain amount of unhappiness will still be there in your life when it comes to the family issues, family matters, problems in the family or something like that. Maybe there might be issues going on into your family or within your family, or in your career situation. Let's say your workplace is not good, your surroundings are not get that good, disappointments are there, issues are there. So yes, that will really sweep you out of your feet. Okay, that's the situation I am getting. Okay, but most probably a lot of things will be really very okay and cool, and I also feel that there will be certain situations in life then that will help you to grow you. Okay, like whatever problems you are going through, whatever karmic relationship, karmic situations you are dealing with, it will really help you out to, believe in yourself and to improve to a certain extent. Because I feel that this are all, you are dealing with certain karmic relationship, karmic connections in your life, where you feel that, lot of sadness, disappointments, loneliness, and you will not get it eventually.